Hi there guys, this is Benjamin here from saybuy925.com and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a very comprehensive review of this new software launch called Content Profits. So Content Profits is going to be officially launched on the 29th of March, 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. So you might be wondering, what exactly is Content Profits? Now let me show you guys an example here. Alright, so how long do you think you will need to actually come up with a website that looks like this? Okay, this is just one example. We have all the content on the left. Okay, various content is more than 10 pages over here, as you can see. All right, various different contents, different widgets over here. This is another example. Okay, this is also another one. All right, now being a website designer myself, in order to come up with a website that looks like this on your own, easily it's going to cost you hours of time. Not to mention the amount of time that you're going to come up with just to generate the content. So Content Profits, being a software, it actually allows you to create this kind of websites in minutes. And the miraculous part of it is, these are all affiliate websites, which means to say, you can actually create a website that actually talks about Amazon products, Walmart products, all right, and it will actually auto-generate contents for you and post it to your website at a specific time interval of your desire. Okay, so if this is something of interest to you, do stay on until the end of this video, as I'll be sharing with you the Insights members, the area of Content Profits, and at the same time show you some of the awesome bonuses that I've actually prepared for you should you decide to purchase through the link in the description below this video. All right. So once you hit the link below this video, you'll be greeted with my bonus page that looks something like this. Now, bearing in mind, Content Profits will be officially launched on the 29th of March, 11 AM. So all my bonuses will be taken down on April the 2nd, which is 3 days later, all right, at 11:59 PM Eastern Standard Time. Okay, or when the clock actually strikes 0. If you click on any of these buttons here, it will bring you directly to the sales page of Content Profits, which looks something like this. This is the main sales page of Content Profits. As you can see, as I scroll down, it is a very long sales page, so take your time to actually go through it. Don't worry about it. We will talk about the vendor bonuses later. First and foremost, let me show you what are the bonuses, the custom bonuses that I prepared for you. Now, for my customers, my custom bonus number 1 is, I'll share with you what is the main framework of affiliate marketing. Now, the reason why so many people fail in this particular business is because they have overlooked the foundation understanding of this business. So just think of affiliate marketing as a big jigsaw puzzle. You need all the different pieces to come together for you to understand the entire big picture of this business model. Alright, so if you miss any part of this jigsaw puzzle, you will actually fail miserably in this business. So my custom bonus number 1, I talk about what is the main framework, so you understand how the entire big picture looks like. My vendor bonus number 2, I'll share with you guys what is the number 1 mistake, which is very costly, that most newbies actually commit when it comes to their email marketing campaigns. My custom bonus number 3, I'll talk about how to actually build high converting squeeze pages. Alright, actually you can just insert all these links into your website by using Content Profits, and all these links can actually direct your traffic to squeeze pages, and then from there you can actually embark on your email marketing campaigns. Should this audience actually did not purchase during their first time, you can actually do your follow-up with them. Now my custom bonus number 4 is this thing called Affiliate Marketing 360. Okay, this is actually a series of training videos. There are 20 training videos there talking about affiliate marketing, email marketing, so on and so forth. Alright, so these 4 custom bonuses, you will not find them anywhere else because they're all prepared by myself. Alright, now last but not least, of course, is the vendor bonuses for fast action takers only. So as promised, these are the vendor bonuses to share with you guys. Bonus number 1, free unlimited reseller license of LSA agency. Okay. Vendor bonus number 2, free unlimited reseller license of auto commissions. Now these are all various softwares that the vendor has actually launched before. So the vendor bonus number 3 are the free unlimited reseller license of DFY Review Funnel. And vendor bonus number 4, free unlimited reseller license of OmniBlaster. Alright, so these are all the 4 vendor bonuses. And most importantly, you are at a financial free, okay, it's a risk-free investment because the vendor actually gives you a 30 days money back guarantee. Now let's take a look into the members area of content profits. So once you look into content profits, as you can see on the left, this is the main menu. This is where you actually structure the kind of website that you want. So first thing that you go to is add new site. So from here, there are different templates that you can choose from, as you can see over here. Okay, you have a affiliate marketing template, tech template, health and fitness template, real estate, dating and relations. All right, so for the sake of demonstration, let's just use affiliate marketing. But before you actually select it, you can actually view the template here and see how it looks like generally. Okay, so this is how your website will look like end of the day. Okay, so if you're happy with this, go back and select this. Now the site address URL, basically content profits allow you to use their subdomains. So it's actually a cost saving for you, whereby you don't even have to purchase your own domain name and your own hosting platform. So for the sake of demo, we just call it demo123. Okay, so that means your URL looks like demo123.contentprofitsapp.com. Your site title will be affiliate marketing. Okay, site language English, add site. Alright, so this is the one. We have two affiliate marketing here, but anyway, I think it's this one, the last one. Okay, so once we selected a site, next thing you want to do is to create a new campaign. Now, what exactly is this campaign all about? Now, this is the one whereby you decide where you want the articles to actually come from. Is it from Amazon, Dailymotion, eBay, Envato, and Ensign articles, Facebook, Flickr, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Vimeo, Walmart, YouTube? There are so many sources that you can actually get these articles from, or rather videos from as well. Okay, to fill in the contents for your website. So let's just use Amazon. Okay, so campaign keywords. Now these campaign keywords are very important because this is the one whereby, if you look at the instruction below, add your affiliate link below. Campaign keywords in the article content will be replaced with this affiliate link. All right, so let's say for example we are trying to sell Amazon products. We can say things like check out here. Okay, so this will be our main keyword, and our affiliate link, just for example, we will just put it as this is our affiliate link. Okay, now you can actually decide how many posts do you want within this particular website from Amazon. So let's say you can stop after like maybe 50 posts, 100 posts, is up to you, to the maximum, or is it 2,000 posts here. Okay, my suggestion is don't go for too much, maybe just about 100 posts is good enough. All right, so the region you can actually choose, because Amazon has so many different platforms. Do you want it to come from the main platform.com or the UK platform, Canadian.com, I mean the Canadian platform, or so and so forth. All right. Okay, now after that, filter by price range. You can actually choose what kind of prices do you want in terms of the products that you want to showcase to your audience. Okay, so let's say we're on the filter by price range. I'm going to show my audience products that is, let's say, $7 all the way to $50. Okay, so this is how I set it. Okay, now text and categories filters. You can actually choose which categories generally you want these articles to fall under. So in this case, maybe I'll put it as under lifestyle. Okay, keywords to category, none. Check for title, no, because by default they are going to check for both the titles and the content to make sure the content is relevant to what you have chosen. Okay, now images. Okay, set this as yes, because by default it's going to be a no, but of course you need some featured images to showcase on the homepage of your website, which means to say they will always set the first image or video image as the featured image of your article. Okay, now you can also choose do not post images less than given width in pixels. I think 100 is fair enough. Now this one, content spinner. In order to make your articles more unique, you can actually choose to spin even the title or even the content itself. Okay, this one, the links, this is not referring to affiliate links. This one is you can actually choose to remove hyperlinks or external links, or avoid posting duplicate links, and so forth. Generally, I'll just put it as no for all, okay? Because it might actually affect your affiliate link that you decided to replace with the keywords, which is over here. All right. So our keyword just now was check out here, which means to say, once they actually abstract any articles or videos from Amazon platform, all right, so long as the article has these three words here, check out here, they'll replace this thing with a hyperlink, which is your affiliate link, your Amazon affiliate program affiliate link. Okay. Now next, scheduler. Now this is very interesting. Like what I said, it actually auto schedule posts for you. So you can choose to add new posts every 60 minutes, or you can choose days, hours, so on and so forth. Okay, so if you want something which is like every new post 1 hour, that means one day you have 24 articles being posted, or you can actually choose something like every 1 day. You can do that as well. Okay, or you can make it as every 1 hour, or maybe every 2 hours. All right. Now you can choose to start posting after what time or stop posting before what time. So as you can see over here, Content Profits allow you to actually do a lot of customization in terms of, even though they actually auto schedule for you, auto abstract all the content for you, and even auto content spin and title spin for you, you still have a lot of say in terms of how would you want this content to be. Okay, you can even choose the post type, or would you like it to be a product type, so on and so forth. Okay. Now articles filter. Now you can actually filter, like for example, an article only if it contains one of the following words. You can actually put certain words into here. So that means to say, when Content Profits actually try to abstract articles from Amazon.com, if whatever articles do not contain these words that you put into the box, they will not abstract the article for you. Right? Now, why is this thing important? For example, let's say you are actually trying to heavily focus on cameras. All right, you actually want to promote cameras on Amazon platform. So very simple. I just click yes here, then I'll type here camera. Done. So that means to say any other products that is within Amazon platform, which does not have the word camera there, will not be auto-populated by Content Profits into your website. Okay. Content filter, search and replace. You can actually hit yes to this as well, whereby you will find and replace words. Like for example, if the article has the word Amazon, you can actually just tell Content Profits to automatically change this word Amazon to My Store by using this particular format. Okay. Yeah. So in a nutshell, this is how Content Profits actually work within the members area, like what I mentioned. So if you're actually looking into generating an affiliate website, but you do not want to incur the kind of time needed to build up the entire website from scratch, my personal opinion is Content Profits is pretty good. It's a pretty shortcut method to just quickly get your affiliate website up and running. At the same time, it actually saves you money in terms of your domain, because you don't even have to purchase your own domain name, which usually saves you like $10 to $20 per year. And most importantly is the hosting service. Okay, but you don't even need to purchase hosting as well, because it's all hosted within Content Profits itself. All right, so with all these features that Content Profits provide, what exactly is the price point of Content Profits? Now let's take a look. Okay, for early birds only, the front end, whatever I've discussed with you guys just now, including all the bonuses, at just $22, you get the entire Content Profits, which you see over here. Okay, as well as all the bonuses that I discussed with you guys, plus the vendor bonuses. Upsell number one is this thing called Content Profits Unlimited at $37. So if I'm not mistaken, this Content Profits Unlimited, meaning to say you can actually create unlimited number of websites and unlimited number of campaigns. All right. Upsell number two, Content Profits Done For You setup, whereby they will do everything for you. It's retailing at $147, and upsell number three, Content Profits Unlimited Traffic at $67. Now, when you actually click on the link in the description box below this video, come to my bonus page and look through all these. These are all the summarized benefits of using Content Profits. Like for example, automatic content fetching from unlimited sites, publishing fresh content automatically, create and set up up to 50 campaigns. All right, so this is for the front end. I believe just now the second upsell where we talk about second upsell, which was here, this is unlimited. That means to say instead of 50, you can actually create unlimited campaigns. All right, and you can also have publishers content in videos, PDF, text plus images. So just now, as you can see, one of the platform that you can actually abstract content from is YouTube. So of course, YouTube, there's no articles there. So what they will do is they will actually abstract the entire video and put it into something like a blog post within your website. All right, you have automatic content spinning, completely set and forget software, automatically add ADS and affiliate links for passive commissions. Okay. So at the same time as sales, in my bonus page, you can actually see this demo video, which is about 8 minutes long, as you can see here. Okay, now, once again, these are all the bonuses, my custom bonuses. If you decide to purchase through my link in the description below this video. Main framework of affiliate marketing, number 1 mistakes that all newbies commit, how to build high converting squeeze pages, and as well as my 20 video series. Okay, so these are all free for you at just a front end of just $22. Alright, so this actually concludes my review video when it comes to what is Content Profits and how can it actually assist you with building your affiliate websites. Okay, I hope this review video actually helps you in terms of your buying decision. Looking forward to see you in my next video. Take care.